Are the power constraints of your machine limiting your productivity? There are times when the machine is the limitation, and you are unable to fully utilize your tool to its full potential, thus decreasing your productivity. This means that either the table feed or depth of cut needs to be reduced to match your spindle capabilities. Utilizing a cutting system with a higher positive geometry can help reduce power consumption. By design, tangential face milling systems have a higher lead angle. This consumes greater power than traditional style, like Seco's double quattro mill, for example. The cutter body and insert geometry design is more positive and freer cutting, resulting in lower power requirements. If you need support, we have solutions to help increase your productivity by reducing power consumption. Contact your local Seco Tools technician today.